Hello Toastmasters, it's John, VPPR at Epsom Speakers again, and the question I've been asked is, how do you time your speeches? Well, I suggest that is reasonably easy. All you need is to set up the speaker's view, so you have the speaker's view, and then you want to make sure that the speaker has a speaker's view with all the people across the top or the bottom. In my iPad I have to press a button to make that happen, and then you assign the speaker. As you see here, I've assigned Dell laptop to do the speech, so I'm going to be doing the speech at Dell laptop, and John's iPad over here is going to be doing the timing. And just for the sake of I have brought my bulb with me. This actually looks a bit blue on one of my computers, but it's actually a green bulb, and so I will be chatting away, and if you look above me on the iPad screen, you will see at some point the green light will come on, so that I know that I have made it to the minimum value. That is, if I can do it without looking out the corner of my eye. Here we go. So there we are. So I now know I've made it to the green section, and if I could be bothered to have taken the other bulbs out of the boxes, I could actually do the yellow light and the red light too. Otherwise, if you don't have the bulbs with you, you could always use a piece of coloured card. So what I suggest is that the timekeeper just puts the pieces of card up when the times have happened, so that the speaker then knows what's going on. But double check with the speaker that they can see on their screen that person's video, because of course you've got a lot of people online, and what you may have to do is you may have to turn off some of the videos. So don't forget that if you're going to turn off a video, all you need to do is go onto the one you want to turn off. I can't turn it off there, I've got to turn it off here. So go there, stop video, there we are. See how I now disappear, and then you can just see the person and their laptop. But of course, if you turn off all the videos, then you're losing the feedback of the faces of everybody. So this is something you're going to have to decide amongst yourselves how you do it. It is nice to see the face of everybody, but on the other hand, if you've got lots and lots of people up there, you may find this a bit distressing, because you've just got too many faces to really watch around. But again, you have to look at this. Of course, on your setup, what you might want to do is to do gallery view and get everybody that way if you're the speaker, because you don't need to see your own face. You just need to see that bulb. And don't forget to look into the camera now and again, because that's the only way you're going to make eye contact with your audience. But otherwise, that is my two pennyworth on how we can deal with the situation of counting the time.